Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at these. I know y'all miss Kimberly. So we're at the Miss. She said please. So we're doing the order what the person in front of you order, and right now we're at Wendy's. So we're gonna see what we get. I'm only doing like 3 fast food. This look good. What is that? That look like
all right, we can't. She ordering. We can't hear what she ordering.
Oh yeah. Oh, you close the window. Yeah. So that person in front of us, hopefully she order. It's a lady, right?
I think so.
Yeah, the lady. Yes, here. Hopefully she ordered something good because I'm hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat nothing just because
Right.
I cooked, but I didn't eat it.
Aw, you're a real one. I want a burger. Because I ate all day. I ate like a smoothie and fruits. So, I'm hoping she orders something really good.
Hi, I would like to order what the person in front of me ordered, but don't tell me what it is. I just want to know the price. I want the exact order, but just tell me the price. Don't tell me what it is.
$14.34.
Okay, thank you.
That's a good one.
I'm gonna order the same thing. Okay?
So you want to order the same exact thing?
Yeah, I want the same exact thing.
So you want a kids meal?
I just no. I just want to order. Don't tell me what it is. I'm just gonna order what she got.
Oh Lord,
okay?
All right.
Well, so we know it's a kids meal.
Oh
We don't
Lord.
know what else is in it. We don't know what kind of kids meal.
She said, so it's a kids meal? So you want a kids meal? That was funny. Hold on. Take the card. Oh, that's not bad. The first one is not bad. Oh, you can order it. Oh Lord. Shit. There, we just saw what she just got. Kids meal. Wait, how did kids meal come up to $14? Is it 2 kids meal?
No, she probably ordered something else with the kids meal.
Oh, the way she was saying it, I thought it was just only kids meal. She looking at us. Why is she laughing at us? Is she laughing? She laughing at us. Why are you laughing? Oh, is that a?
You ordered the same thing?
Yeah. They're laughing at us. Both of them lemonade?
I don't know what that is.
This one's lemonade. It looks like it. They there were just peeking out like.
Here. No, that's fine. That's fine.
Thank you. They're mad, just staring at us and laughing. What y'all laughing at? They were like, nobody never did this before. They all came out doing the looking and laughing. Like, let's see what we got from Wendy's.
What kind of kids meal is that?
This is 2 fries. Oh, what is this?
It's
What
a
your
toy.
daughter is this?
Leilani got a toy.
Oh, okay, let's try the burger.
Ooh.
Burger in there.
What is in there?
Oh, it's 2 fries.
2 fries?
2 small fries. 2 kids fries. Is the fries in there too? Oh, there's nuggets. Oh, nuggets. Oh. Okay, somebody fell in the bag. Wait.
I'm hungry.
The lighting. It's the sun. Y'all know how Wendy's fries look. Oh, so there's nuggets and fries. And what is that?
What kind of burger this is?
It's a
It look good though.
like a bacon in it.
I don't think it got bacon. It's just a regular double cheeseburger.
It's good. Everything is good when you're hungry.
Should have bought a little knife.
Oh, I'm over here eating all the nuggets here.
Yeah.
I'm over here eating all the nuggets. Oh damn, I'm in though. This is my first time having a Wendy's. Can't show it properly. Oh,
This is good.
Kimberly not even in the camera. I guess she don't want to be seen.
But I'm tearing this up.
I don't like onions on burgers. Tell y'all this. Those ooze, Mom. Oh, fuck. I don't know how many other nuggets I ate, somebody.
It comes with 4.
Oh, oops.
This is a peach lemonade. It's a peach lemonade. It's good.
That's good.
I never had that from Wendy's.
This is good. This straw. Let me show. No? Yummy. That's what it is. And I be drinking no juice, but I don't think he notices you.
Ooh, y'all from a fun car.
It's very messy. I can see it. Oh my god. This sauce is good.
The burger is good.
Dang, it's too meat. No, I didn't even know it was too
It's
meat.
double. It's a double cheeseburger.
Oh no, mine was so big. Damn. Should not be eating this. Oh, whatever. I don't know why. I don't know why I forgot it was a kids meal, and I expect a toy was supposed to be in there. This burger is very messy. Some more fries, bro.
They didn't put on different napkins.
That was good. You want more fries?
I'm good.
Wow.
Alright.
For the next one. I'm not even finished yet.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oh.
I don't even know what the... Let me see.
I think it was lemonade.
It's like a diluted lemonade.
Because they have ice in there or something.
Where you want to go? You want to go Burger King or McDonald's or Burger King and Checkers?
Burger and Checkers, because they're right next to each other. I don't know if it's McDonald's. You like McDonald's?
Yeah, I ate McDonald's.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Wear your seatbelt.
Oh. I'm sure that will be it. Pennsylvania and Linden Boulevard. McDonald's is over there. How high is this over there? Damn, I wish Popeyes had a drive-thru though. Yeah. That's what. Maybe it was the salt. That was it. That's it. I don't know if I was gonna be able to do 3. I'm going 4.
Alright, let's do Burger King next first.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'll eat Burger King nachos. Alright, so it's whatever this black car is ordering. Ooh, something good.
Right? I don't think I want another burger though.
I could do another burger.
I don't want another burger. I want a chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich. Oh, look at this spicy. Oh, I never had that. I never, actually never had none of the chicken sandwiches. Except for the long one.
Chicken sandwich is good.
It does look good. Oh, please, let's get one of those.
How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to order the same exact thing the person in front of me ordered. Can you just tell me the price? Don't tell me what it is.
1 second. $11.97.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. No bad. 11.90. Okay. How much money is that so far?
They understand. The people just cut that out. That's between me and you.
Of course. Kimberly. Well, who do you think have the best fries? I think Burger King have the best fries.
Burger King has the best fries.
Burger King definitely have the best fries. Wendy's fries taste good just now though. I'm surprised. I don't eat Wendy's like that. I don't eat Wendy's. The burger was alright. I think it was too meaty though.
Cause it was double.
It's too much. Please don't let it be a burger. I'm praying it's a chicken sandwich or something.
Here, let's see. It's either a Whopper meal or a chicken sandwich meal.
Oh damn. Please let it be chicken. Oh, look at the bag. Huh. What's in the bag?
Let's see if you got a drink.
You got orange juice.
Okay.
Oh, this even breakfast now?
Oh, let's hope it's not breakfast.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not gonna eat it. Can you go?
Kim said I'm not gonna eat it.
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm sorry, I'm not.
Why not?
Let's just hope it's
Their
not
pancakes.
breakfast.
Their pancakes is good though.
Ew.
Their pancake is good.
I'm not eating it.
Kim said,
I'll watch you eat it.
breakfast. Really? You gonna watch me
You
eat
wanna
it?
pull over there and eat it?
Yeah.
I just hope it's not bad. Let's hope he just likes orange juice. Like,
The sun is bothering Kimberly's face. It's not even showing us properly. Oh, there you go.
this your last one?
Maybe.
I'll just put it in my pocket.
Oh, we didn't got the receipt. Oh, yeah, let me see what was the other stuff on the receipt.
Oh, you gotta look at the receipt. You wanna look at it now? Oh, wait.
No, I'm gonna get the food.
Alright.
Let me see what the other one was. Let me put the other one. The first one was his nugget, his fries, lemonade, double cheese, medium fries, and pineapple mango. That was pineapple mango. Lemonade. Chicken sandwich. I'm praying for a spicy chicken sandwich. I want it spicy because I never had it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, orange juice. Oh yeah, I forgot we had orange juice. Orange juice. Vitamin C. Look at the receipt. Look at the receipt.
Okay, what we have here?
What is it?
It don't say. Oh. A double Whopper, large fries, and orange
Jesus,
juice.
damn.
What's with these double burgers?
I love these fries.
I can't eat a double burger. Oh my goodness. That's too much meat.
As I'm saying, we just had a double cheeseburger just now. Another fries. And another one.
And they ain't put no ketchup. Like, I can't even find
back. Oh,
there's a ketchup here.
no, we got sauce in that backstory. I didn't even use the sauce for the nuggets.
Pass the barbecue. Cause
No, they have barbecue here?
every time I order something, I always
yeah,
order it with
Sauce?
buffalo sauce.
Where you gonna put this?
I eat everything with buffalo sauce.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a big, yo,
That burger's huge.
this burger is big.
Put it like lay it down right here.
Kimberly.
What?
Okay.
Does it have cheese?
No.
Oh man.
And you got onions. It's big. Y'all can't.
That's like the Mondo burger. You ever watch the burger?
Yes. Mondo. Yo, that's it don't got no cheese on there. Why you don't like cheese?
Yeah. It's probably lactose intolerant.
Dang, man. That sucks.
I'd have been more excited if it had cheese.
Mm-hmm. Damn. Double burger. There was a lot of fries though. I just love the taste of Burger King fries. Tastes so good. Wait, show them first before you drink it. Take it out. With your hand.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh Lord.
Except for all that onion. I don't like the onion.
Oh crap.
You take the onions
Hold
off.
this.
Take the onions off.
Okay. Next time we need to walk with a knife.
Wow.
Cause like look at this. I ain't got no lettuce.
I don't think that's half, Kimberly.
It's not half.
You should have took the onions off. That was messing it up. We could have walked over. I don't like this.
We got a pickle.
I got a pickle. I don't think I can eat this big ass burger.
Yeah.
Damn.
Lettuce. Would have been better if it had cheese.
Cheese,
but-
word. See? Why these burgers be so messy? I'm taking the fries off.
Get the fries now.
I'm about to tired. I just came from work. I just came from work, okay? Oh, I look tired anyway. Remember you live over here?
Huh?
You remember you live over here? Right there. Close that part of the block. This is dinner. Probably eat a smoothie later when they're hungry. Nothing else. Oh, we did this video before. Right, Kim? We did this video before. 2 weeks. I think it was 2 weeks before Corona, right? Before Corona
Was
started.
it? I can't remember.
It was 2 weeks before Corona started. We did it. I didn't like how the video looked.
You never posted it?
No, remember I told you I didn't like how it looked. I was supposed to go do it again. And then Corona started. Oh, no, that one? Is that?
Well,
That's hot. Onions. I'm getting full. I'm supposed to do 3 of them, but I don't think I could do another one. Are you full? You said, I'm full. I'm getting full. So do you want to do another one?
do one more.
I think these other YouTubers do it. They do a lot of fast food. The thing is, they don't do it. Some of them don't do it all at one time. They go home, they come back out and do that. I don't do it all at one time. I don't have a car. So. Oh, fries. I can't eat all the fries though.
I can get a burger, but not all them fries.
No. The fries is very filling though. Thick. Oh, I love it.
Look at the line now. Imagine if we would have. See, that's why I said let's do that first, because the line was short.
Yep, and it was right there in there.
Oh, crap. Saw something.
There was nobody over there when we went over there. Like 2 people, 2 cars. She's selling fruits.
Yeah.
They're out here hustling. No more burger.
You don't gotta eat the whole thing.
I don't want more
It
burger.
look like just meat left.
Okay, there we go. Okay. Kimberly wanna do one more. Let's
Put
go.
one more and get it open up. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's hold up. Let's see where to now. What you want, McDonald's or Checkers?
You choose.
Let's see which one's off for me.
You choose. Fine. If it's McDonald's and you get a burger, you can that shit by yourself. I don't want no more burger. I never ate so much burger in one day. Well, it's been a while since I ate like that. It's the last one. I'm full. Kimberly not full.
By the time I get home, I'm gonna be full. I'll be knocked out though.
Like the items after eating all that, of course. We didn't even like the orange juice.
Save it for later. Look, they got them new crispy chicken sandwiches.
Yeah.
I hope he ordered the crispy deluxe chicken sandwich. That looked good.
I honestly never wanted to eat none of that. Okay. As long as it's not a burger. I honestly did not want to eat none of that.
Good. I hope he ordered that.
Oh, the deluxe one. The deluxe one,
Yeah.
it does look good.
Because it got the lettuce.
But people be trying it. They be like, it's not all that.
Him and one other person in there, so there might be 2 burgers.
I don't want no burger. You could take it. I don't want no more burger. Girl. Hopefully it's not a burger.
Let's hope it's a crispy chicken sandwich. And some nuggets. I feel like eating nuggets.
I don't really care for McDonald's anymore. But what is that, like McFlurry or something? I'm talking about sweet. I'm not supposed to be eating no sweet. But
Like a frappe.
Ice cream. I feel some ice cream. Yeah, for all that I just ate just now, something sweet. Shit. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What would you like today?
Hi, can I have I would like to order the same exact thing the person in front of me ordered. Just don't tell me what it is. Just tell me how much it is.
The person in front of you ordered?
Yeah. The same exact thing. Don't tell me what it is. Just tell me the price. Yeah.
The price is $10.64.
Okay, so I'll order that, whatever it is.
Alrighty.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. You're welcome.
Oh, that's my window.
Huh?
You have the Oreo McFlurry.
Hurry, hurry.
Well, we know it's a McFlurry.
What happened?
Oreo McFlurry, extra Oreo.
Why she looking? What she said?
Yeah.
What she said?
I don't
She said I effing knew it. I guess she knew it was on YouTube videos, huh?
Just have a great night.
Thank you. I think she knows the video. That's why she said that. She looked at me just now. She's like, I knew it. You see me recording. Ooh, we got a big flurry.
I
Yeah.
have cookies and a large fry.
And a McFlurry.
Cookies, large fries, and
I
McFlurry.
don't want that.
How much was it? $10?
Yeah. Bet you want something sweet, right?
I did want to say that. It's fine. I don't want no cookies.
I want no fries.
Oh, you said, well, McDonald's, girl.
I'm kind of mad maybe I order a burger. I'm upset right now.
You really, Kim, really? You just had that burger. Kim is a mess.
Come to McDonald's. You order McFlurry cookies and a large fries. Who orders fries without a burger?
Kim, really, people do that. She said, who ordered fries without a burger? People do
Like
that.
cookies. Like, I
Maybe-
never ordered a McDonald's
Maybe
cookies
she
before.
PMS them. Really said, I don't want it.
I don't want that.
Kimberly, take the fries. I don't want the
I
fries.
don't want the fries. You just had how much
McDonald's cookies. So we got the fries and cookies and a McFlurry. You really don't want nothing. See? We should have went to Checkers then. You would have got your burger.
If we go to McDonald's, we would have guaranteed a burger.
Well, we didn't get it.
Let me taste one of them cookies.
Good. She said, well, take the fries home and give it.
I don't want
husband
no.
or somebody.
All right, I'll take the fries.
Yeah, take the fries.
Give it to my daughter.
Oh, yeah. And you put the toy in the thing. Is it soft? Is it just made? It's not fresh, right? That's. How long ago I had one of these cookies? Kimberly tight.
I'm mad right now.
I'm okay with this. I don't even want no burgers though. You want to share a McFlurry? You don't want a McFlurry either?
No, I don't. Oh, wait. You know what?
We're gonna pour it in. Oh, you should ask for a cup, girl. Should ask for a cup.
Yep.
The cookie in there?
The cookie.
Oh, you ever taste it with fries?
No.
Try it.
No.
Kimberly, try it. Take one of the fries. Ice cream with fries. It tastes good, girl.
Yeah. Who came up with this?
I saw Aaliyah J do it. And YouTuber, she do it. She do it all the time. Well, she do it with Wendy's. It tastes good. Fries and McFlurry. Tell me how it tastes. Let's get some ice cream on there. Don't tell me it don't taste good.
I don't see the hype on my
She said, I don't see that.
Some of that McFlurry.
Hold on, guys. Get some of this. Leah J was the first person I see who did that. I don't think I ever did this before. I started doing it. It's so good.
Oh my gosh, drive faster. I'm not retarded.
You're really.
Okay, how far? Where am I going?
The next block you turn right.
Why you come over here if you gotta go over there, stupid? Look where he at.
Playing with you.
Idiot. Which way I gotta go? It's retarded. Freaking drive. Why you over here?
Yo.
You came over here knowing that you gotta turn there. I don't understand. No, I seriously don't understand. And then look where he at, in the middle of the road. It's 2 lanes, pick a lane.
You really got road rage.
No, it's retarded. I don't get it. Look.
So got.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
So guys, we're going to end this video right here. So we see you guys in our next video. Bye.